In all things do we take the example of Saint Drusus, who the Emperor saw fit to return from death to continue service in his name. We endure hardships, as Drusus did. We show no mercy, as Drusus did. We drive back the darkness beyond his realm, as Drusus did. The Maccabean Janissaries hail from the planet of Maccabeus Quintus, a bitterly cold shrine world within the Calixtus sector. The origins of the Astra Militarum regiment are built on the foundations of their venerated hero, General Drusus. Honored as an imperial saint for his service during the Angevin Crusade, General Drusus would lead the conquest of the Calixtus Expanse as its Lord General Militant during the 39th millennium. Founding the Calixtus sector with his victory against the forces of chaos-corrupted Xenos known as the Yu-Varth, Drusus would pray to the God Emperor of mankind for guidance. Assassinated during the campaign, Drusus would be resurrected by the will of the Emperor, as his assailant would be torn apart by holy light. Imbued with the power of the Master of Mankind, Drusus the Living Saint would annihilate the remaining dregs of the Yu-Varth Xenos, with his deeds inspiring the founding of an elite regiment molded in his image. Zealous and pious warriors, wearing the silver death mask of their patron, the Maccabean Janissaries comprise of only the finest warriors of the Maccabean militia. Armed with few resources and hardened by their harsh climate, the Janissaries are driven by their faith in order to endure any hardships alike to their venerated hero of legend. The shrine world a site of pilgrimage to the most pious of souls within the Calixtus sector. Only the purest in spirit shall ascend to the ranks of the Janissaries. Deployed upon the most distant and perilous campaigns, the Maccabean Janissaries reject the temptations of fell powers and give praise to the Master of Mankind for their holy purpose. Never returning to their homeworld once deployed, the Janissaries seek only to expand the borders of the Imperium to bring the light of the Emperor to a wicked galaxy. Clad in flak armor of artificer quality, each warrior of the regiment is a peerless marksman trained to form meticulously organized battle lines. Preferring to unleash volleys of lasfire upon their enemies, the Janissaries rarely retreat from battle and are immune to the fear of death. At the forefront of the Imperium's most dangerous campaigns, the Maccabean Janissaries pledge to fight for the glory of the Emperor and their holy cause. Stationed within the periphery subsector as part of the Spinwood Front, the Maccabeans would fend off Orc and Drukhari invasions and form the core of the Astra Militarum defense force. Calling to enact a war of faith against the Severan Dominate of Duke Severus XIII, with the regiment's commitment to hold the line of the Spinwood Front, the zeal of the Janissaries is held in check only by their holy quest to defend the Shrine World and its surrounding planets. For they shall not relent in their praise of the God Emperor of mankind, nor their holy mission to purge all acts of heresy and corruption within the Calixtus sector.